video, we are going to see how the Ethernet practical was done the other day. First of all, we are going to start with the mapping of the communication. In this case, the communication channel that I opened was these channels from DM50 to 59 in the PLC with IP 212. It was moved to this DM100 to DM109 in the PLC with IP 215, and the other way around. From the 215, those channels move to those channels in the IP 212. Those channels were used in order to exchange inputs, channel 1 to channel 100 of the outputs of the other PLC, the analogic from one PLC to a DM in the other PLC, and inputs, channel 1 of the inputs in IP 215 went to channel 100 of the outputs of the IP 212. This was used in the program in order to, well, the communication channels were open with these blocks, with the send and receive blocks. Here we have the moves from channel 1 to the 50, from the analogic input to the 55, and from D200 to channel 100. In the other one, there is only 3 moves in order to produce all the movements. And in this data exchange table, we can see what we have already seen in the CX program. Well, and the video. One is the video. Those are the inputs in 215, goes to the outputs of 212, and the inputs in 212 goes to the outputs of the one with IP 215. And in this case, the analogic input in 212 went to the analog to a DM in the other PLC. As you can see, there is no real-time communication because I use the clock signal of 1 second, 1 hertz, in order to communicate. So it has a delay of 1 second between this sent signal and the received signal. So I could have used another one faster, but I thought maybe it was going to slow down the communication or the PLC. So I sent the communication process once every second.